So in this video, I'm also going to share with you guys how the flower arrived, because these are all fresh flowers and roses, how they arrive, what you need to do in order for them to open up this beautifully, and also my tutorial on how to create the weather centerpieces. Hopefully this video is helpful for a lot of brides to be out there. With no further ado, let me share with you guys how these roses arrived. So here I am unboxing the roses that come in these lovely boxes, very well packaged. I am then going to open up the roses in this box, which come very well packaged as well. There is two types of roses here. There are white roses and pink blush roses. So as you can see, these are the pink ones and the white, just so beautifully. They come very well packaged. I was very impressed.